my amazing viewers. Welcome to Unique NJ Fashion World, a channel where we showcase latest trending, unique and classy wears, nails, jewelries, in fact anything about female fashion. Come to this channel, you surely enjoy yourself. Thanks. Greetings of the day, wherever you're watching from, depending on your time and location. You're highly welcome. Please, if this is the first time of coming across this channel, kindly subscribe and switch on your notification bell so that you'll always be among the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video, or you have been coming to this channel but have not subscribed yet. Please just tap on the subscription button. It's not gonna cost you time, but to inspire yourselves. Thanks. Today we are showcasing unique and mesmerizing nail art design. Please just watch from beginning to the end. You'll surely enjoy these nail art designs. Thanks. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your family and loved ones. Thanks.
I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Right before I go, that's the time that I'm gonna show all the crazy things that I'm gonna do to you, baby. Ooh. I want you to make me uncomfortable. Wow. The only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Now I wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Wanna get low, wanna get low, low, low. say